Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to space for honest, expert beauty reviews. Let's talk about something that's often overlooked in our daily routines, but has a huge impact on our oral health: water flossing. Whether you're someone who's tired of traditional flossing, or just looking for a more effective way to clean those hard-to-reach spots between your teeth, the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser WP-660 and Cordless Express Water Flosser bundle might be exactly what you need. But before we dive into the details, if you're enjoying our content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss an honest review like this one. Now let's get into the specifics of this highly rated bundle. The Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser WP-660 is designed to give you a custom clean with 10 pressure settings, so you can choose the right level for your comfort. It even features a massage mode for gum stimulation, which is a great bonus for anyone concerned about gum health. This model also comes with a built-in timer and pacer that pauses every 30 seconds and 1 minute, so you can stay on track for a complete flossing session. It's got a 22-aughts reservoir, providing you with 90 seconds of uninterrupted flossing time, which makes it perfect for those who need a little extra time to get every corner of their mouth. Now let's talk about the Cordless Express Water Flosser. It's smaller, more portable, and battery-operated, using 3 8-lay batteries, making it a great option for travel or for people with limited bathroom space. It has 2 pressure settings and a 5-aughts reservoir, which allows for 30 seconds of flossing time. It's simple to use and a perfect option if you're always on the go or looking for a quick, effective clean. I've had the chance to incorporate both of these water flossers into my daily routine, and here's what I found. The Aquarius model is ideal for anyone who wants a deep, customizable clean with more control over the pressure settings. It feels gentle on the gums, and that massage mode really adds a nice touch. It's easy to use, and the timer ensures that you don't miss any part of the process. On the other hand, the Cordless Express is perfect for quick, on-the-go cleanups. It's lightweight, portable, and a good option for travel, but you'll need to be aware that it's not as powerful as the Aquarius, so it's better for a quick refresh than a thorough cleaning. Pros: the Aquarius offers customizable pressure settings, which is great for sensitive gums. The built-in timer on the Aquarius helps ensure you don't rush through your flossing session. The Cordless Express is small, portable, and super easy to use, ideal for travel. Both devices are highly effective at removing plaque, up to 99.9%. They're both ADA approved, so you know they're clinically trusted. Cons: the Aquarius is a bit bulky, so it may not fit easily in every bathroom. The Cordless Express only offers 30 seconds of flossing time, which may be a bit short for some users. The Aquarius requires a plug-in, which limits its portability compared to the Cordless Express. When it comes to value for money, these products deliver solid results, especially considering that 9 out of 10 dentists recommend Waterpik. The Aquarius is a higher-end model, and its performance justifies the price. You're getting powerful, customizable pressure and a large water reservoir, which makes it great for daily use. The Cordless Express, while not as powerful, is excellent for its price point and perfect for on-the-go flossing. If you're not interested in carrying around a bulky unit, it's a great option. If you're looking for an alternative, there are some budget-friendly options like Sonicare Air Floss or Aquasonic Ultra Whitening that offer similar features but at a lower price point. However, they may not offer the same level of customization or performance as the Waterpik models. As for build quality, both the Aquarius and the Cordless Express are made from durable materials. The Aquarius, though bulkier, feels solid, while the Cordless Express is lightweight but doesn't feel flimsy. I've had no issues with either, but just keep in mind that the Aquarius does require regular cleaning and maintenance of its larger water reservoir. One thing that stands out with Waterpik's customer service is their commitment to satisfaction. I haven't had to contact them myself, but from reviews and their ADA seal of acceptance, they have a solid reputation for addressing any issues that may come up. So, after testing these water flossers in my routine, what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a more thorough, customizable flossing experience, the Waterpik Aquarius WP-660 is a standout choice. It's perfect for those who want to maintain their oral health with precision and care. On the other hand, the Cordless Express is ideal for anyone seeking convenience, portability, and a quick clean while traveling. Thank you for watching this review. If you're ready to try these out, the link to purchase is down in the comments. Have you used any of these models? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.